With this new reality that you can work anywhere, it's creating a kind of, I don't know, a melting pot of cultures, of innovation, artists, and the really creative minds in the area.
The whole ecosystem has been built for the past 5-6 years. The Web Summit started here. It's really started to bring an ecosystem of startups, but also investors. And so we are a group of founders from and coming to Lisbon. But I think it's not just that. I think as well the country is very welcoming. You have, the city is interesting. There is the proximity with the ocean. It makes the country as well being very nice to work as a startup, because a lot of people work from home as well.
Lisbon is a city with a lot of potential. The arts world, for me, it's getting faster and faster, and people are reorganizing and trying to connect with these new vibrations, tech, NFTs, crypto.
For me, an NFT is just a way to organize digital ownership. It's easy for people to understand. My paintings get sold, people go like, I own a painting, I hang it on my wall. Nowadays, there are people who spend a lot of time on their screen, and people also want ownership there because they want to own stuff. They want bragging rights. It's even simple. I own that piece, and that's what NFTs can organize.
In arts, technology can be a great help. For me, it's kind of going back and work with my body with slow motion. So it's like a somatic practice that I have to balance the speed of production and everyday life.
DVD didn't kill cinema, and I mean, NFTs are not going to kill physical art. It's again one more possibility to do cool stuff.
Lisbon now is becoming like one of the meccas of tech and digital art. So you need to be a visionary, and you need to be a little bit of a risky guy. We do biometric art and interactive art. We use senses to show people their own emotions. And we use music and visual art to translate those emotions. We want to mainstream this technology, and through art is the way we think that is the best way of doing it, because people connect with art.
Visual artist is very different from drawing because you haven't the physical approach. But I have a physical approach inside of me.
For me personally, I've never seen the digital space as something that's going to erase the physical space. For me, it's a wonderful complementary tool. I think you still need to go to museum, you still need to walk in the streets, see street art. I think art can be everywhere.
There's really old places and abandoned places that are not being used, so the city is giving to artists to rehabilitate, give us freedom to explore the city and to use the city that otherwise wouldn't be used.
I don't know how is it going to be the future for the city with this new world that is coming. I hope that it brings transformation.
I think if we can take this opportunity to leverage this creativity that's coming in, the potential is huge, as long as you are always careful to maintain what is important and not destroy. I think it's all about balance.